CubeX Soft MBOX to PST Converter is the best software to convert MBOX files to Outlook. Some advanced features of this software: supports batch MBOX to PST export process, moves all types of MBOX data instantly, advanced options to convert MBOX emails to PST, maintains every file and folder structure, free to download with it Demo Edition. Let's start the step-by-step process with software. Launch and start the software. Click the Add Files. Select MBOX files or folder where you have saved your MBOX data. Preview loaded file after its loading process and click the Export tab. Select PST output option. Utilize related options. Use filter options. Click the Convert tab. View live status for this process. Click on OK tab in completion message screen. Click the View Log tab. Check Log Report in Notepad. Free MBOX to PST Converter online download. Download free MBOX to PST Converter to convert MBOX files for free. This edition of the software can convert MBOX data in Outlook PST with the first 25 files. Download now for free. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Please like and subscribe to get updates for more tutorials.